Well, welcome to a very special day, and I'm just delighted to take us through this incredible project that I am so happy to say it's almost done. Minus Roman shades, we're almost done, and this has been 18 months in the making. We started November 23. It's now April 3rd, I believe. So I meet the happy owners, I'm happy to say happy, Monday, and I've not seen them but once in this entire project. So it's been quite the marathon and full of surprises. And where I'm standing right now to talk a little bit about what goes on, it always looks so incredible. We'll cut in through our walkthrough some of the shots that are important, and one of those, I think, is this area and this powder bath, because this little powder bath was a completely different time zone, full of wallpaper, and when you come in here, we'll show you with more video what it looks like. But it's really nice to have a grand gallery that has closets for your main, your main storage of your coats and whatnot, and then overflow. We have overflow on the other side. Lighting for art. We added recessed lighting. This one I think is a great one because it helps to, if you see in here, this is an unusual one to see on the inside too, because it was a combination of closets, so it's very hard to see. And we'll try to capture that, so you actually will cut it in so you see what that looks like while I'm talking about it. What we're going to do today is start with the heart of the home. To me, one of the most important is the dining kitchen area, which is open. And then we'll come back and go through the main living area, the guest and den area, and to me, the coup de grace is the primary sitting room suite, which is quite lovely. But let's start in here and take a look at the major work that was done. One of the things I should say is that we had to remove all of the asbestos that was underneath the old wood floor. That's not always required in this case because of the building architect. So we had to do that before we could start construction, which was last August, end of August. But let's come in here and take a look.